The following film is presented in its complete theatrical version. It was rated R by the MPAA and may not be appropriate for children under 17. Viewer discretion advised.
This is the Aurora forecast model from the NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center for February 21, 2010 at 12:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time and 6 a.m. Universal Time Coordinated. Auroras are possible as far south as Texas, and will be visible across 90% of the skies within the continental United States. KP Index, 9. NOAA G Scale, 5. Peak visibility time will be at around 10 p.m.
On Cartoon Network.
Oh, that was fun!
You're watching the Ben 10 Alien Force season finale. And stay tuned after the finale for the ultimate Ben 10 announcement. Only on Cartoon Network.
A civil danger warning has been issued for St. Louis County, Lake County, and Cook County, effective until 11:05 p.m.
Civil danger warning for the cities of Duluth, Two Harbors, Grand Marais, and surrounding communities. To anyone not infected, close your eyes and cover any windows immediately. The Aurora has been proven to cause irreversible brain damage. Within 30 seconds of exposure, the signal to the brain starts violently attacking the neurological system, causing a complete psychological collapse and eventually will cause suffocation and brain death. We are unsure how this psychological phenomenon is possible, but we are continuing our efforts to find out how this is happening. Do not look at the Aurora, no matter how beautiful it may look. If you look at it, you will put your life in extreme danger, and may possibly die. Continue to monitor news outlets and local media for the latest information when it becomes available.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House in coordination with the rest of the United States government. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
Within the past 24 hours, an anomalous and dangerous situation has been taking place throughout the North American continent involving the Aurora. This is due to a psychological weapon possessed by the Aurora capable of irreversible brain damage.
Due to these unprecedented circumstances, we heavily recommend residents to cover any windows in your household and to cover your eyes immediately. Do not look at the Aurora, no matter how beautiful it may look.
If you look at the Aurora, you are putting your life in extreme danger, and it might result in your demise. Once again, residents are to shelter in place for the time being. Cover any windows in your household and close your eyes immediately. The Aurora is now proven to be a threat to humanity.